So we have already installed the server. So before we begin, we must make sure that we have static IP address on our machine, and I believe okay, there is Ethernet 0, but it is not connected because we need to do few settings in the VM. Alright, so in our case we are assigning the this IP. And DNS server will keep the same. Okay, so now it is disconnected. So what we will do, we will go to the VM settings, and from here we will go to the network adapter and we will select the bridge connected directly to the physical network, and we will click OK. Once we will click OK, so now this has to become up, or either way we need to restart the server, but it is successfully up in our case. So let's ping our gateway. Let's test the reachability first. Alright, that's great. So now we will move further to install our domain controller. We will go out to the server manager and we will select add roles and features, and from here we will select the role-based feature-based installation, and this is our same server where we are going to install. So we are going to install Active Directory domain services. Okay, include management tools if applicable. Okay, add feature. So before we go further, I just got remember from a previous installation that it will give us the error in the end. So what we will do, we will go in the password policy and minimum password length. We will password must meet complexity requirement. We will disable this one. Okay, all right, and minimum password length is not defined, that is fine. And now we will click on the next. All right, or from here I believe we don't need to install anything, so just let next restart the destination server automatically if required. Okay, so let's install now this role, which name is Active Directory Domain Services. It will take few minutes and might be in the end it will give us few prerequisites error. So let's see. I'm just pausing the video, let it get installed, and then I'll come back. So it's saying the configuration required installation succeeded. Okay, so we are going to close it, and then we need to go here, this flag icon, and now we will select the promote this server to a domain controller. Okay, and here since we don't have any domain controller, existing domain controller, so we are going for the new forest. So this will be test.lab. to set some password here. All right, let's select next. Select next. It will check and verify the BIOS name. So I believe I just mentioned the wrong name, TAST. So let me go back and fix this. Yeah, it will check again everything. Okay, we will keep the same password, and now it should be come up the test here. Okay, now it is test. So you can write down any your in as per your requirement. You can any write down any domain name which is suitable for your environment. So now it is saying that prerequisite need to be validated before Active Directory domain service is installed on this computer. So I hope so it will not give, but yeah, so all prerequisite checks passed successfully, and so now we are able to install promote this server as a domain controller. So Windows Server 2019 domain controller have default for the security setting name allow. So after this server will be work as a domain controller as our DC primary DC. So why we have installed this there, because we are going to um, join our AD with the ICE, and then we will create some users on the ICE and the DC, and then what we will do, we will access our our FTD and FMC management from the ICE and the DC. So this is the whole purpose of behind installing the DC. So it is saying that it will get restarted, and when it will come back I will show you the Active Directory services. So it is still restarting and applying some settings. So now it is installed successfully. Let's log in and see our Active Directory services are working or not. So the server manager will going to be open, local server manager, all servers. Right. So what actually we need from here is Active Directory and users and computers. Okay, so this is here, so we will create our users and user groups here, and if we see here AD DNS services, DNS, file storage, local services, all servers are up and running. So that's it from this video. In next video we will integrate our domain controller with the ICE. Thank you for watching.